Herbals as nutraceuticals. In this lecture, I want to state some common herbals which are used as nutraceuticals. Garlic. Its biological nomenclature is Allium sativum. Its family is Liliaceae. It owns a distinctive, spicy, pungent flavor that sweetens and softens extremely with cooking. Ginger. Its biological nomenclature is Zingiber officinale. Its family is Zingiberaceae. It is utilized as spice in recipes like crackers, gingerbread, cookies, ginger ale, cakes, ginger tea, and ginger beer. Onion. Its biological nomenclature is Allium saeva. Its family is Liliaceae. It is utilized as a component in onion, chutney, or different hearty hot dishes, or they can be boiled, baked, or eaten and cooked in salads. Licorice. Its biological nomenclature is Glycyrrhiza glabra. Its family is Leguminosa. It is utilized worldwide as a naturalistic sweetener and also as a flavoring. Ginkgo. Its biological nomenclature is Ginkgo biloba. Its family is Ginkgoaceae. It is utilized in kanji and it's oftentimes served at particular occasions like weddings, stewed seeds, or oftentimes eaten along with additional dishes.